Is your team stuck spinning their wheels, frustrated by challenges outside their control? We know how easy it is to focus on external barriers, especially when it comes to student success. But dwelling on what we can't control drains our collective energy and limits our impact. That's why we created the Locus of Control Workshop Guide, a powerful tool to help your staff shift their focus to what is within their control. For just $9, you'll receive a ready-to-use facilitation lesson plan for a 20 to 30-minute team discussion, a digital locus of control organizer to guide the activity, step-by-step instructions, next steps, and extension ideas to keep the momentum going. Through this activity, your staff will identify the key challenges affecting student success, determine what they can control, influence, or must let go, and create a lasting visual reminder to reinforce the solutions-focused mindset. This guide has already helped school teams prioritize effectively, reduce stress, and build a more proactive work environment. Get your copy today and help your team focus on what truly matters. Search under the Resources tab on jigsawlearning.ca to get started.